Quick demo of the latest version of the 950 calibration software. Try and rattle through this. This is just going to do Cal 1, do Cal 2 in a second video and show you what the difference there is. So COM port set up as before, the type of rig you're using, you select from there. I've got a Meltronics one. Difference here, rather than a pull down list of pre-registered files, you can put appropriate files in the right directory. So that's nice because you can have a file such as that where the file is a works order number, so it's unique to the order. People won't be just randomly creating these, they'll be generated as a back office function, if you like. So the test engineers don't need to worry about that, but it does mean they can pull in a file, works order, blah blah blah. It must be right, and it's there you go. Engineer number. Number of instruments is one of the other tweaks. So today I'm only testing 7 instruments because one's broken. Okay, it says find meters, so those initial settings seem to be fine. So I click find meters, creates the list, builds it up. So it's found 7 meters. So as before, we'll go to the serial numbers page. We don't necessarily have to do this, but I think it's always good for demo. And there's another little tweak that's been made. So say if we were going to re-serialize these based on 600, click serialize. What change now is it automatically refreshes this screen. Fairly trivial update, but it just saves you having to find again, and that's that. Features, we're not going to worry about it on this. I'll show you that on Cal 2. Read them if you want at this point, but it's meaningless. So we're just going to do a first Cal now, and away we go. So we've seen all this before. The rig starts to power up. You may be able to hear it in the background there, I don't know. Rattles round, loops round. There's still plenty of scope to speed this up. Quite a sort of heavy averaging going on at the moment just to get the accuracy. Should be there shortly. Couple of seconds, couple of loops now and it'll be there. Yeah, there we go. So checking for any, just hangs around for a little bit longer. Make sure it's all in order. Gets all the readings from that setting. It's moved on to the next one already. I'll just have a glance over now, and yes, it's applied them on the zero. Okay. So in practice, the rig is actually stable already, so I can cut this down quite a bit. So it's iterating round a few more times. A couple of seconds to go yet. There we go. So that's the first Cal, only contains the 2 tests. And there you go. That's it done. And exactly as before, so we've got 4 passes, 3 fails, red and green. It's about as easy as it gets. Okay. And that's first Cal. That's all you need to know about.